Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive deep into all things beauty. Today, I'll be reviewing the DOVO Straight Razor, a classic tool for those who appreciate a traditional close shave. Whether you're a straight razor veteran or just starting, this review will give you all the details you need to make an informed decision. Now let's get into the product. The DOVO Straight Razor is a single-blade shaving tool known for its sharp precision and clean finish. It comes pre-sharpened and is ready for use right out of the box, which is a major convenience for anyone who doesn't want to deal with the hassle of preparing a razor before its first shave. This is a premium razor, often praised for its superior craftsmanship, which is typical of DOVO's reputation for making some of the best straight razors on the market. In terms of materials, the DOVO Straight Razor is crafted with high-quality stainless steel, ensuring that it's durable and resistant to rust and corrosion. The blade is designed for smooth cutting, which is key to getting that close, precise shave you're looking for. It's meant for all skin types, which is perfect for those of us who deal with sensitive skin or irritation when using other razors. I tested the DOVO Straight Razor for a few weeks to get a sense of how it holds up in real-world use. The first thing I noticed was how effortlessly it glided across my skin, no nicks or cuts, which can often be a concern with straight razors. It's a smooth experience thanks to its fine edge. However, I did find that using the razor required a bit more skill than regular razors, so if you're a beginner, it might take some practice to get that flawless shave. For the most part, the razor is well balanced, making it easy to maneuver, but I do recommend holding it with a firm grip, especially around tricky spots like the jawline and under the chin. It's also essential to keep the blade clean and dry after each use to maintain its sharpness, which is standard practice for any straight razor. As for the pros and cons, let's start with the positives. The DOVO Straight Razor is durable and well-made, which is exactly what you expect from a premium brand. The pre-sharpened blade is a huge plus because it's ready to use immediately, saving you time. The razor provides a close shave, giving you that smooth, barbershop quality finish. And the design? Classic and timeless, with a comfortable handle that feels great in the hand. On the flip side, there are a few things to consider. For one, it's not the cheapest razor on the market, and straight razors in general require a bit of a learning curve. If you're used to cartridge razors, you'll need some practice with technique and angle, so it's not as easy as just picking it up and shaving. Also, while the blade is pre-sharpened, you'll still need to maintain it, which involves honing and stropping to keep it in top condition. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance option, this might not be the best fit. When it comes to value for money, the DOVO Straight Razor falls into the premium category, but it's definitely worth it for those who appreciate quality craftsmanship and want the closest shave possible. The price is justified by its durability, sharpness, and the superior shaving experience it offers. Plus, with proper care, it can last a lifetime, which makes it a solid investment for serious shavers. Comparing this to other straight razors, many of them are similar in quality, but DOVO's reputation for fine steel and precision craftsmanship sets it apart. There are cheaper options available, but you often sacrifice quality for price. So if you're looking for a razor that combines performance with luxury, this one delivers. As for the build quality, it's clear that DOVO hasn't cut corners. The handle feels solid, the blade is precisely made, and there's no sign of cheap construction. It's a well-designed razor that not only performs well, but feels like a tool built to last for years. I didn't have to interact with customer support, but DOVO is known for its excellent customer service. Should you have any issues or concerns, their team is responsive and ready to assist. Now let's wrap up. If you're someone who's serious about straight razors or traditional shaving, the DOVO Straight Razor is definitely a great option. It's durable, offers an excellent shave, and has that high-end craftsmanship that makes you feel like you're using something truly special. However, if you're new to straight razors, be prepared for a learning curve. And if you're after something more affordable or low maintenance, there are other options that might suit you better. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Also, if you're interested, the link to purchase this razor is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.